My new cat. Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about how I got my new cat, and her name's called Mittens. She was owned by some people that left her, and she was pregnant, so yeah. Until Lucy came, she takes care of animals that are injured, and she has kids, so she really likes kids a lot, and we were going to adopt. We were going to take her and bring her into our house. You can see that she has a patch, and basically they had to take out the stuff that could allow her to make more babies. So that's why they had to shave it off. But her fur will grow back and she will get better. We've bought her a new back scratcher. Oh yeah, that's good. But it'll take a while. Sorry about the mistakes. As I said in the last videos, I will get better. And I'll stop making mistakes, I think.